If you're seeing an Epic Games purchase error that says, "Your purchase request is invalid," don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it, step by step, so you can try again on the right platform, refresh the launcher, and check your account settings the proper way. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and simple tech guides. First, if the error appears while you're using a web browser, Epic Games Support recommends switching platforms. Close your browser completely, so there are no active tabs or cached checkout pages still running in the background. Then open the physical Epic Games Launcher desktop client on your PC. Don't try to complete the purchase in the browser again just yet. Instead, go to the Launcher Store interface, locate the game or V-Bucks bundle you want, and attempt the purchase there. In many cases, the browser checkout is the problem, and moving to the desktop launcher resolves it immediately. If you still cannot complete an in-game purchase overlay, like buying items directly inside Fortnite, that usually means the local store checkout page is stuck or out of date. To fix that, maximize the Epic Games Launcher and click your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. From the menu, select Settings. Now look for a blue Restart and Update button. If you see it, click it right away. This forces the launcher to download the newest payment layout patch and can repair checkout issues that are causing the invalid purchase message. Give it a moment to finish, then relaunch the store and try the purchase again. If there is no update button visible, don't worry. Close the client completely, then right-click your Epic Games shortcut on the desktop and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to update properly and process the payment screen without being blocked by a local access issue. After it opens again, sign back in if needed and test the purchase one more time. The next step is to verify your account details, because region mismatches can also trigger purchase failures. Log into your profile at the Epic Games account portal and check your country or region settings. Make sure they match both your current physical home location and the billing profile on your bank card. If your account region and payment card region do not line up, Epic may reject the transaction even if everything else looks correct. While you're in the account area, go to Payment Management. If you have stored purchase details saved there, click the bin or trash icon to delete the stored card details. Removing outdated payment information can clear conflicts and let you re-enter the correct billing information cleanly. Once that's done, go back and try the purchase again from the Epic Games Launcher or inside the game. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the error. Switching from browser to launcher, updating the launcher checkout, running as administrator, or correcting your account region and payment details. If you want, you can also retry with a fresh payment method after clearing the old one. So to recap, when Epic Games says your purchase request is invalid, the best fix is to close the browser, use the desktop launcher, update the launcher if that blue restart button appears, run it as administrator if needed, and confirm your account region and payment settings are correct. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.